Hey guys, today we're taking a look at our second generation SLEDS magazine pouches. If you're familiar with SLEDS, the new rifle pouches are closed at the bottom to fully protect from dust and other debris, and our new pistol pouches offer additional adjustable retention. These pouches compress flat when empty, provide passive retention, and allow for quick one-handed reindexing and retrieval. They're lighter, more resistant to impacts and crushes, and carry a wider range of items than fully rigid pouch designs. Our SLEDS rifle pouch was designed for 5.56 M4 and AR mags. They'll work great with STANAGs, PMags, Lancer mags, and others. Our rifle pouch also provides a small admin pocket for pens, chem lights, and other miscellaneous small items. The SLEDS pistol pouch was designed primarily for use with Glock 9mm or 40 cal and SIG P320 or M17 magazines. Other similarly sized double-stack magazines will work as well. The elastic body provides a base level of passive retention, and an additional shock cord can be used to increase this retention pressure. To carry multi-tools and to provide optional over-the-top retention, these pistol pouches will come with a separate Velcro flap and a bungee pull-tab kit. Both pouches will attach to any MOLLE-compatible belt, plate carrier, chest rig, or other piece of kit. We used half-inch slot spacing for improved fit and stability on two-piece MOLLE belts, but this style is also fully compatible with standard MOLLE.